Hello everyone, in this video I will be telling you how to clear the cache in your device Vivo Y100. So if in this device if you want to clear the cache or you want to wipe up all the cache data, I will tell you how you can do it. Before I start the video, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Now let's watch complete video, follow all the steps and you will learn how you can clear the cache in your device.